Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Will County in northeastern Illinois until 1:15 p.m. At 12:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beecher, or near Steger, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Beecher around 12:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.